What if I told you that Apple is about to make two huge announcements that could completely change how we think about iPhones? The iPhone 18 Pro might finally get the color everyone has been begging for. And Apple is reportedly talking to SpaceX about something that sounds straight out of science fiction. We're talking about satellite internet directly to your iPhone without any extra hardware. Today we are diving deep into everything we know about the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and Apple's potential game-changing partnership with Elon Musk's SpaceX. If you have been waiting for the perfect iPhone upgrade, this might be the year that changes everything. Let's break down all the rumors, leaks, and reports that are painting a picture of Apple's most ambitious iPhone yet. Let's start with something that might seem simple, but has actually been driving iPhone fans crazy for years. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman just reported that Apple is testing a deep red finish for the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. Now I know what you are thinking. Apple has made red iPhones before, so what's the big deal? Here is the thing. Apple has not made a red Pro model since the iPhone 14 series. And trust me, people have been asking for it constantly. The current cosmic orange option has been performing really well, especially in China, according to Gurman's report. This puts Apple in an interesting position. They could keep the orange and add red, giving us more color options. Or they could replace orange entirely to avoid having two similar warm tones. From a color theory perspective, red and orange do sit pretty close to each other on a color wheel. Having both might confuse some buyers or make the lineup feel cluttered. But given how successful the cosmic orange has been, Apple might just decide to expand rather than replace. Imagine walking into an Apple store and choosing between a bright cosmic orange and a deep, rich red Pro model. That would give iPhone users more personality options than we have seen in years. There have also been whispers about purple and brown variants floating around. But Gurman suggests these are probably just different takes on the same red concept, rather than completely separate color directions. For anyone who missed out on the last red iPhone and has been waiting for Apple to bring it back, this news probably feels long overdue. Now let's talk about something completely different, the iPhone Fold. Yes, Apple is finally working on a foldable iPhone, and the color strategy is going in the opposite direction. Gurman reports that Apple plans to stick with utilitarian colors for their first foldable device. We're talking dark gray or black and white or light silver. No fun colors, no bold statements, just the basics. Apple apparently wants to keep manufacturing simple for their first foldable iPhone. Limiting color options helps streamline production, which makes sense when you are trying to perfect a completely new form factor. They did the same thing with the iPhone X, launching it in just two colors compared to the much wider range available for the iPhone 7. It is a smart strategy. Focus on getting the technology right first, then worry about colors later. But here is where things get really interesting. Apple is reportedly in talks with SpaceX to bring Starlink's direct-to-cell connectivity to the iPhone 18 Pro models. Let me explain why this is absolutely huge. Right now, Apple uses Globalstar's satellite network for emergency SOS services. This lets iPhone users contact emergency services when they are completely outside cellular and Wi-Fi coverage. It also allows location sharing and messaging with contacts and first responders. But Apple has invested around $2 billion in Globalstar over the past few years, and things might be changing. Globalstar's chairman recently talked about possibly selling the company for over $10 billion. This is happening as SpaceX's Starlink network becomes more and more dominant in the satellite internet space. Apple probably does not want to buy Globalstar outright, because that would make them regulated like a phone carrier. That is partly why Apple has not started charging iPhone users for satellite services yet. Enter SpaceX and their Starlink network. The information is reporting that Apple and SpaceX are discussing bringing Starlink's direct-to-cell feature to the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. The key detail here is that this would not require any additional hardware. Your iPhone would just connect directly to Starlink satellites using the same antennas and chips already built into the phone. This matches up with previous reports suggesting Apple was planning satellite-based 5G internet as early as 2026. Mark Gurman also mentioned that next-generation iPhones will support something called 5G non-terrestrial network technology. This basically allows cell towers to use satellites to extend their coverage areas. Think about what this means for a second. You could be hiking in the middle of nowhere, completely out of cellular range, and still have internet access through satellites. No more dead zones, no more losing connection on road trips through rural areas. Apple is even planning to create an API that would let third-party app developers integrate satellite connectivity into their apps. Imagine your favorite navigation app working perfectly even when you're completely off the grid, or being able to stream music through a satellite connection when traditional cell towers cannot reach you. SpaceX has been building toward this moment for a while now. They recently bought EchoStar's wireless spectrum for $17 billion. This acquisition gives Starlink the ability to provide much faster internet services directly to phones around the world. SpaceX President Gwynne Shotwell recently announced they're working with chip makers to build satellite connectivity directly into smartphones. The Federal Communications Commission just gave SpaceX permission to operate up to 15,000 second-generation Starlink satellites. That means they can launch around 7,500 new satellites, bringing their total second-generation fleet to 15,000 units. These newer Starlink satellites offer higher capacity and lower latency than the first generation. Now let's talk about the iPhone 18 Pro Max specifications that are starting to leak out. As the biggest and most capable model in the lineup, the Pro Max is expected to push Apple's boundaries even further. The chip will reportedly be the Apple A20 Pro, matching its smaller Pro sibling but optimized for the larger form factor. The display is rumored to be a 6.86-inch LTPO OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. There might also be a refined design for the dynamic island cutout. The camera system is expected to feature triple 48-megapixel rear cameras. This includes wide, ultra-wide, and periscope-style telephoto lenses. The front camera will probably stay around 18 megapixels, but here is something that caught my attention: the battery rumors. Multiple leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro Max could have a 5,100 mAh battery or even larger. That would be one of the biggest batteries Apple has ever put in an iPhone. Combined with the efficiency improvements from the A20 Pro chip, we could be looking at significantly better battery life. Storage options might go up to 2 terabytes in the highest configuration. That is enough space for literally thousands of photos, hours of 4K video, and basically any app you could want. If these rumors turn out to be true, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will be Apple's most powerful smartphone yet. It is clearly designed for users who want maximum battery life and the absolute best camera performance. The combination of satellite connectivity, a massive battery, incredible cameras, and that potential deep red color option could make this the most compelling iPhone upgrade in years. Apple is expected to announce both the iPhone 18 Pro models and their first foldable iPhone in September. That gives us several months for more leaks and rumors to surface, but based on what we know so far, it seems like Apple is preparing some major changes. So there you have it. The iPhone 18 Pro could bring back the red color everyone has been asking for, plus satellite internet that works anywhere on Earth. The iPhone 18 Pro Max might have the biggest battery Apple has ever put in a phone. And Apple's first foldable iPhone will probably stick to classic colors while they perfect the technology. What do you think about these rumors? Are you excited about the possibility of satellite internet on your iPhone? Would you choose the deep red color if Apple brings it back? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Apple news and rumors. Hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any updates as we get closer to the September announcement. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.